friends, welcome you all. Today's topic is characteristics and meaning of communication. Communication is the most common activity in our day-to-day life. The word communication is originated from Latin word communicare or communis, which means common. Communication means exchange of ideas, opinion or informations through the form of written, speech, symbols, and actions. Human beings spend more than 70% of their time in communication. Some important definitions for communication were given by the authors. Please take a screenshot for future use. Now, let's see the characteristics of communication. Communication is a continuous process, which means exchange of informations are endless in nature. Communication is all pervasive. It takes place at all the levels of people. It will be helpful for decision making. Communication is two-way process. It will be helpful for better understanding. Communication should have context and relationship, which means the relationship between what you say and how you say. If communication have a common language, it will be helpful for better understanding between the sender and the receiver. It will make the communication more effective. Meeting mind is necessary for communication so that the receiver able to comprehend the intended meaning of sender's message. Communication should be clear and concise. Communication can also done by the gestures like rolling eyes, emojis, etc. Thank you for watching this video.